The 24th of June current affairs. First question. Which culinary item has the Goa government applied for a geographical indication, GI tag? A. Vindaloo. B. Dodal. C. Feni. D. Sopatel. Correct answer, B. Dodal. It is a pudding-like, classic Goan sweet that is often called a cousin of bebanka, the queen of Goan desserts. Next question. Which space exploration initiative have India and the US finalized a strategic framework for? A. Mars exploration. B. Lunar Gateway program. C. International Space Station. D. Asteroid mining. Correct answer, B. Lunar Gateway program. The Lunar Gateway program is an international collaborative project aimed at establishing a space station in orbit around the Moon. The Lunar Gateway program is part of NASA's Artemis program, designed to support long-term human exploration of the Moon and beyond. Next question. What type of neural network has the Indian National Centre for Ocean Information Services, INCOIS, recently developed? A. Recurrent Neural Network, RNN. B. Convolutional Neural Network, CNN. C. Bayesian Convolutional Neural Network, BCNN. D. Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. Correct answer, C. Bayesian Convolutional Neural Network, BCNN. The BCNN's new product integrates cutting-edge technology to enhance forecasts associated with ENSO phases. It is to forecast El Niño and La Niña conditions up to 15 months ahead. Next question. What recent milestone has India achieved in its space exploration efforts? A. Successful deployment of a lunar rover. B. Completion of the Gaganyaan astronaut training program. C. Launch of a new communication satellite. D. Third and final test success of the Reusable Launch Vehicle, RLV, landing experiment, LEX, or Pushpak. Correct answer, D. Third and final test success of the Reusable Launch Vehicle, RLV, landing experiment, LEX, or Pushpak. Pushpak designed to carry payloads into low Earth orbits and return to Earth for reuse. Next question. Recently, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, in India increased the yearly allocation of green ammonia for the fertilizer sector. What is the new yearly allocation amount? A. 500,000 tons. B. 550,000 tons. C. 750,000 tons. D. 1 million tons. Answer. C. 750,000 tons. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE, is implementing the NGHM with a target to achieve a production capacity of 5 million tons per annum of green hydrogen in the country by the year 2030. Next question. The RBI has formed a committee chaired by AP Hota to explore the proposal of setting up a digital payments intelligence platform. What is the main objective of this platform? A. To promote the use of digital currencies. B. To enhance the speed of digital transactions. C. To mitigate payment fraud risks. D. To lower transaction fees for digital payments. Answer. C. To mitigate payment fraud risks. Domestic payment fraud surged by 70.64% to 2,604 crore rupees in the 6 months ending March 2024, with the number of cases rising to 15.51 lakh from 11.5 lakh. Next question. Recently, the Union Cabinet, chaired by the Prime Minister, has approved the proposal of the Ministry of Home Affairs for which central sector scheme? A. National Cyber Security Enhancement Scheme, NCSES. B. National Forensic Infrastructure Enhancement Scheme, NFIES. C. National Police Modernization Scheme, NPMS. D. National Intelligence Grid Enhancement Scheme, NIGES. Answer. B. National Forensic Infrastructure Enhancement Scheme, NFIES. This scheme aims to enhance forensic infrastructure across the country by establishing off-campus laboratories of the National Forensic Sciences University in 28 states and all union territories. Next question. On June 23, UNESCO honored which Indian city as the country's first city of literature? A. Jaipur. B. Bengaluru. C. Chennai. D. Kozhikode. Answer. D. Kozhikode. Kerala's Kozhikode, India's first UNESCO city of literature. Next question. The India-Russia Mutual Logistics Agreement, named the Reciprocal Exchange of Logistics Agreement, RELOS, is set to facilitate which of the following? A. Economic trade and investment. B. Cultural exchange programs. C. Military cooperation, including joint exercises, training, and disaster relief efforts. D. Educational exchange programs. Answer. C. Military cooperation, including joint exercises, training, and disaster relief efforts. The Reciprocal Exchange of Logistics Agreement (RELOS) between India and Russia is a significant administrative arrangement that will enhance military cooperation between the two nations. Next question. Who chaired the 53rd GST Council meeting held in New Delhi? A. Prime Minister Narendra Modi. B. Home Minister Amit Shah. C. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. D. Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal. Answer. C. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. The GST Council made some recommendations relating to changes in GST tax rates, measures for facilitation of trade and measures for streamlining compliances in GST. Next question. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated which program at Indira Gandhi International (IGI) Airport? A. Smart Security Screening Program. B. Automated Passport Control System. C. Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program (FTITTP). D. Enhanced Baggage Handling System. Answer. C. Fast Track Immigration Trusted Traveler Program (FTITTP). This initiative is designed to revolutionize the travel experience for Indian nationals and overseas citizens of India (OCI) cardholders by making it faster, easier, and more secure.